Hello and welcome to revision classes on television. Today, we will be having a session in mathematics. Our guide is Samuel Nnebife, and our topic today is fractional equations.
We take example 1. If 3 over 2p minus 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over 3 all divided 1 over 4p plus 1. The question is this: solve for p. We are looking for the value of p. Solution: 3 over 2p minus 1 over 2 equals to 1 over 3 all divided by 1 times p is p over 4 plus 1. Then you cross multiply like this way, but it's not allowed to cross it this way. So that is the meaning of this statement. So this 3 multiplied by here p over 4 plus 1 equals to 1 over 3 bracket 2p minus 1 over 2. You open the bracket by 1 times 2p is 2p over 3. 1 times 1 is 1 over 3 times 2 is 6 equals to 3 times p is 3p over 4. 3 times 1 is 3 over 1. In this junction, we find the LCM of denominator. So the LCM of 3, 6, 4 is 12. That means 3 can divide 12, 6 can divide 12, and 4 can divide 12 without remainder. So multiply through by 12. So 12 multiplied by all the equation. 12 bracket 2p over 3 bracket minus 12 bracket 1 over 6 equals to 12 bracket 3p over 4 plus 12 bracket 3. Now, use 3 to cancel 4. Use 3 to cancel this. You have 4. That is 3 divided by 12 is 4. Then 6 cancel 6, 1. 6 cancel 12 is 2. 4 cancel 4, 1. 4 into 12 is 3. Then 3 over 1, there is no denominator here, so you leave it that way. So this time this, that is 4 bracket 2p minus 2 bracket 1 equals to 3 bracket 3p plus 12 bracket 3. 4 times 2. I want to open the bracket, or you clear the bracket. This 4 times 2 is 8p. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2 equals to 3 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3p is 9p. 12 times 3. That is, if the calculator is not with you, you say 3 times 2, 6. Then 3 times 1 is what? 3. Then plus. So 12 times 3 is 36. In this junction, you collect like terms. All the p's will go one side, and the ones without p one side. This is 8p. And 9p is crossing the sign of equation. Here is plus. Crossing this side becomes, because here is plus, crossing this sign of symbol becomes minus 9p equals to 36. Now, c minus 2 crossing the sign becomes plus, because the sign here is minus. Crossing over becomes plus 2. Now, 8p minus 9p will give us minus p equals to 36 plus 2 will give us 38. Now, divide both sides by negative sign, because we are looking for p and not minus p. Divide by minus 1. We want to make p the change of subject formula, meaning make p to stand alone without any coefficient of anything. And here we have minus p. So you say minus p over minus 1 equals to 38 divided by minus 1. So minus will cancel minus. We have p equals to 38 divided by minus 1 will give us minus 38. And that will give us the final answer for this. So the value of p is minus 38 is the answer to this question. So p is equal to minus 38. Let's take example 2. Solve 7 bracket s plus 4 minus 2 over 3 bracket s minus 6 equals to 2 big bracket s minus 3 bracket s plus 5. Solution. Bring down the equation given to you. 7 bracket s plus 4 minus 2 over 3 bracket s minus 6 equals to 2 s minus 3 bracket s plus 5. Open the bracket. 7 times s is 7s. 7 times 4 is 28. Minus 2 times s is minus 2s over 3. Minus 2 times minus 6. Minus will give us plus. 2 times 6, 12 over 3 equals to 2. In use of board mass, let's handle this bracket. And remember that here is not closed. No. The question is this. So we are using minus 3 to open this bracket. S minus 3 times s is minus 3s. And minus 3 times plus 5. Minus times plus is minus. Then 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is what? Is 15. Bring down the equation down. 28 minus 2s over 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Equals to, use these two to open this bracket. This time this is 2s. 2s, that is 2s. 2 times s, 2s. 2 times minus 3 will give us minus 6s. 2 times minus 15 is minus 30. The next step, multiply through by the LCM. That is 3 bracket 7s plus 28 minus 3 bracket 2s over 3 plus 4 bracket what? 3. Or you can say 3 then in bracket 4. They are the same. Equals to, we are still using 3 bracket 2s minus 6s minus 30. Now, we have to eliminate the fraction. 3 into 3 is 1. Now, let's write down the remaining ones. There is 3 bracket 7s plus 28. Bracket minus 1 bracket 2s plus 12 equals to 3 bracket 2s minus 6s minus 30. Now, I want to open the bracket now. 3 times 7 is 21s plus 3 times 28 will give us 84. Minus 1 times 2s is minus 2s plus 12 equals to 3 times 2s will give us 6s. 3 times 6 minus 18s, because 3 times minus not only 6, there is minus. So 3 times minus 6 will give us minus 18s. Then 3 times minus 30 will give us minus 90. Here I have to arrange. We are not collecting life terms yet. Arrange the ones with alphabet, which is s, 21s, and minus 2s. Minus 2s. Then come back here. Algebraic expression. We are not collecting life terms, so no sign will change. Plus 84 plus 12s equals to 6s minus 18s. You have minus 12s. Then minus 90. 21s minus 2s is 19s. 84 plus 12. If you don't have calculator with you, 84, 1, 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 plus 1, 9. So 84 plus 12 is plus 96 minus 12s minus 90. You collect lifetimes. All the s one side, the ones without s one side. That is meaning of collecting of lifetimes. That is 19s. S and S will come together. And then this is the first one. Minus 12 is crossing the sign of equation. The sign must change. Here is minus. Crossing here becomes what? 12s. If plus is here, crossing here becomes minus. But here is minus 12. It crosses here becomes plus 12s. Equals to, see the number minus 90. Is this plus 96 is crossing this side. Here is plus. Crossed here becomes minus 96. So 19 plus 12s will give us 31s equals to, so minus 90 and then minus 96. Minus means you are owing. Then minus 90 plus 96, we have to add the two numbers. 90 plus 96 will give us 186. But remember, you have your minus. So you divide by 31. We are dividing by 31 because we want to make S to stand alone. We are making S the change of subject formula. We are looking for S, not 31S. So 31S equals to minus 186. Divide by 31. Divide by 31. So 31 cancel 31. We have S is equals to minus 86 over 31. So minus 186 divided by 31 will give us S is equals to minus 6. 186 divided by 31, you have minus 6. Remember, there is minus. That's why we have minus 6. So minus 6 is the correct answer to this question. Solve for P. 4P minus 3 over 6P plus 1 equals to 2P minus 1 over 3P plus 4. Solution: 4P minus 3 over 6P plus 1 is equals to 2P minus 1 over 3P plus 4. You cross multiply because there is no plus in the center of the equation and there is no minus. So this is a sign of inequality. You cross multiply. Cross multiply in when you cross multiply this way. So 4P minus 3 bracket 3P plus 4 equals to 2P minus 1 bracket 6P plus 1. Now, this is what we call expansion. You have to expand this to arrive in quadratic equation. Expand this. Then let's expand normal expansion. I will make it easy. 4P, use it to bracket 4P bracket 3P plus 4. Take minus 3 to bracket there plus 4. That means whatever you have here must equal to what we have here. I take 4P to bracket 3P plus 4. Take minus 3 to bracket 3P plus 4. Equals to, take 2P, the same thing. 2P bracket 6P plus 1 minus 1. Open 6P plus 1. Now, let's open the bracket. 4P times 3P. Now, 4 times 3 is 12. P times P, P square. Take it again. 4P, I'm using 4P to multiply what I have inside the bracket. Use minus 3 to open here. Use 3P to open this bracket. Minus 1 to open here. 4 times 3 is 12. P times P is P square. Now, we have done this part. We are going here. It's like here and here. 4p times 3p is 12p squared. So 4p times 4 is plus 16p. 4 times 4, 16, then p. Minus 3 times 3p is minus 9p. Minus 3 times 4 is minus 12. We have done to this side. 2p times 6p is 12p squared. Because 2 times 6, 12. P times p, p squared. So 2p times 1 is plus 2p. Minus 1 times 6p is minus 6p. Because minus 1 times 6p is minus 6p. Minus 1 times plus 1 is minus 1. Because 1 times 1 is what? 1. But minus times plus is minus. So we have 12p squared. Now, then 16p minus 9p will give us 16 minus 9 will plus 7p minus 12 equals to. So 12p squared. 2p minus 6p will give us minus 4p minus 1. So you collect like terms. Collect like terms. (12p), I want to write all this equation. So we'll start moving this, move this, move this. So 12p squared plus 7p minus 12. For this sign, I want to cross the sign of equation. Here is plus, we change to minus, plus, change to minus, plus, minus, change to plus. The same thing with minus 1, change to plus 1. So, minus 12p squared. So, plus 4p plus 1 equals to 0 as quadratic equation. But now, here, 12p squared will cancel 12p squared. So what we have is 7p minus 12 plus 4p plus 1 equals to 0. So you collect like terms. No, we arrange it first before collecting of like terms. Because there is 7p plus 4p, then minus 12 plus 1 equals to 0. We take 7p plus 4p, then come back again because of algebraic expression. Minus 12p plus 1 equals to 0. So 7p plus 4p will give us 11p. Then minus 12 plus 1 will give us minus 11 equals to 0. Now you collect like terms. 11p equals to 0. This is minus 11. Crossing the sign of equation becomes what? 11. So 11p is equals to what? 11. You divide both sides by the coefficient of p. And what is the coefficient of p? Is 11. So, by 11, all this statement is part of your score. So, you divide by 11p equals to this. Divide by 11, divide by 11. 11 cancel 11 we have P equals 11 over 11. And 11 divided by 11 is 1. So 1 is the value of P.
That's the much we can take today on the program. Join us next time for another educating session.